Rate Care was established in 2000. Covers a total area of 60,000 square meters for rapid test producing. Rate Care only focus on the researching and development of healthcare products including digital pregnancy and ovulation tests, with the goal of providing women with innovative products to manage their reproductive life. Rate Care's engineer research the first and only 2-in-1 digital pregnancy and ovulation test, which has obtained 9 patents include P4 invention patents, and passed GUBI ISO 13485 and PUPE certification.